Welcome to the leading site news.
To aprangsi nang letum pini bangso ang songa directiona tengpen bang elitum phanang ke post dun acara lir ke do atum solar project ki biji po main pen along nang che jok dun thap pen bang soi elitum phan ako nang letum ahok ma pu che than dak noi po meeting pini elitum kangni press meet kangni along media korte tum ke chopa teng apor teng penang pali dun theka pot nili hin pen kardom lapen rong asar hin pen tanal tum phan media korte tum han kardom iglo lapen pinida kachitong kadok we rong koi ra ke thom ini tum la solar affected area arong asar tum phan anta nili hin pen kardom chupilo angsona directiona teng pen nili tum phan la cheklem tu po pen so ka cheklem mane alang tum ili tum phan ang ke post dun thavret la so alam voi kipi bangso meeting nang chitong dun ilu tum la rong koi ra thom alis like hen lo la so alis bangke dak do erlo agambura tum an la sirara tum bangke non chutiki chorlana por amasi jasmet pet rong asor tum phan bangke nil tum padigdar pon pedat lo la gbs tum phan se hang pen se so press meet pinibi pon lo la so pen nang che tong dun aronga amena bangke lai hen lo alis lo la ke chengsi longka thar lo agambura dak doiglo lapen long hup dak agambura doiglo kara rong pierong agangbara dolo balijan piloko longki rong phara rong agambara dak amunit dudlo lapen bangke balijan lalmati dolo dilai bolo diliterang lapen bangke langtuk ramsa lapen hemari timung lapen bangke bonglong terang men Tisso lokpo kiling sam teron kania hanse sarpo terang lapenge lokso teron muhuri teron nihang terang teke ingti lapen bangke lake sorumanthi bidasing kiling lang birik mijikro anhelo rong koi ra ke thom la bangke solar ke parlo vek arong lo sitame ke parlo posita a solar bang rong parlo ponpe la jitu rong kawi det si a solar area bange kedu a map tel tum long laplo sitame non ili tum chesong bom pen wang bom bang atum dak la so project nang bilo pupen il tum phan nang than nang kimum non ingkan hini lekelo bang ha adb asian development bank atum ame thang dak inquiry chewang lo nang survey lo so pen epdcl atum aphong wang lo sita chobei choke longle ki chujor phelang chujor tum amune tum hala so ke post tum long chelang dun pensi pini ili tum phan la so development anak kimi ili tum phan ke wang ya dimalong bang atuma bangke lahaya project ke chor I belek a state tumta country tumta la sonyong si bit hek lo polong te ili tuma dimalong a development the pikipu a hok bangke wang tumta hala adb pen wang atum bang ha norway pen italy pen la pen bangke spain pen lahai tum wang tumta nil tum phan dak kadok avita chitong long sarlo la tum ike than te kanga teng polo tangte la dak la so project bang bikok lo polo tangte so project long pipilo ali alap kilongi number 1 la tum pulo ili tum phan bang kechobe choke keningi thap bang ke solar project adungare arong ana bang ke hipi birik asonson le chuita rengun e adim kreng hakji munita chia ji pon an sigini ge mate 15 km surrounding ke la so a distance bang ke la ke munit makena hok dolap ji pu la sili tum non dak tot prong menti sorong pen dimapur ta 15 km awi la si international amuni tum bang chini je la so pia bostu ma solar ke banang than dak lo pen chin ne pol da google long search noi solar ke la ke green energy akang sam nei miang bong ta la hen lo la si bang matha et si il tuma dr tuliram rong hang sar la pen ke asama chief minister dr hemanto biswa sharma alang tum bang chini lor pen si karbi atum ta paching thur nang po alam lo la sila so pen mitang sen aputhak non la IPP atum a leaders Rajen Timung lapen bangke APHLC a leaders atum Bikram Hanse atum bang chomatha bangke Rong asar pencingki ke daga jat atomo nang chinin de pinsi alang tum si bora ketek arong tagali a hemta ave dak arita ave alang tum pulok karbiang long indigenous people party pu kerai ason si kicekrong thap chela tum bangke dak eli tum phan la an akke meji la so area la an keching thurji avar sai long po non eli tum pilo dak avar sai gelong habit haram ancholo ajat ta ave dak dungke tara chojor lapen ke mentulo ke chingthor lang non la so dim gele tum la so solar project nang bikok lo polong te ladak tek akam an ke bang 1000 amunir phan bang local atom phan si dak asakuri piponji puta bang chichak do lapen ra lata asudet pogali 4th grade 3rd grade pogali tek ason an bang local phan si first priority people pu latum nang than tekang lapen lan chotakali adungare rong ke tek ason an karbi tum choklem beha paper dak uthung chopang reng waka chopang reng la hai anta la tum lang ponji me lang towar anta lang tum si arix si enlo nang jong si nang tum bi binong polong ten tum la anta nang lang pon pu pulu la sila so adima bangke nili pudami po bangke alang litum dak non ahokalam chithan dak sigemi akorat tum chi ni pure ke pulo la sinili pini bangke nang la tum phan khulasa mane open nang kuri pilo so area ke jasmet pet nil tum ta kecheng aku kichini inde ako bangke nil tum ta kroi kre pu ke opos pu pulo siam along ta lo chupidam pu pulo sita phialam long thula ap lo lapen bangke area jitia survey nang start lo area ta chelang lo la ke minimum maximum 70 to 80% along le bangke lake mentur ni rong asor pen ko nanal sor ne along litala non solar ke parlo ajo an ke chejor ta tang etlu donatum karbiang long arat atum wang ignoi nang latum approve nang people dak long le ke chejor tum si just met apen hala nang ke post tum long tai chelang dun amen nili nang pupi phui nai pulong te puthek lapen nili long wangoi nang chetong oi nili ke dak si ke jot mo monilo dak se local lo apen nilia जो सोशल वर्कर बा हिसाब आमात निलिता साप ओ के चेलांग नो नाजिर डिंग क्रुइलो लाहे पार्टिया लोंग पे ने चेलांग नो मासिन निलिता डिफु डकक चिचिनी दुंदे दा मेंतु तंग लाहे अलोंग लेकी इक देरोनी लासी लासो लोंग ले बांगे जोंग सी इलितुम नागा तुम हटा निल तुम ब्लेमली पेपोलोमा किचियोर के दागा तुम के नागा तुम ता चार्जु ठेक बता अरलेंग अलाम ता नार जुदुन ता मे नांगनिंग ओरी नांग तुम ता पेपोलोमा नितुम नांगे प्लुंग बोरी गली नांग तुम चौकची ke nam chokchi da karbiang long alen along le bang ke lake hara dak ke tok masitu dak tok dak lu karbia anglong along li po bang ke kerai pusi kerai binong do lapen chojor tapar along li ke la bang ke aron re pen ke jor pote ke jor bang tha jel dam nai ke nam bang tha jel dam nai hadak pota long ta ke tok du je la bang ke long li jong si jor long li pagli ke jor bang jor long ji sita council sorafan arju nai lata periodic pota miadi pota long log api miadi pota dokok pen apisi council pen order cho nai order en lo pote ke support ma kun e ma pia ki sung pia ki boy ma bang jori pupi ke sita no nang tum ge illegally si jor varelo ke nam tum da burbok lo ke nam do na atum anta apota long ma ke do kopilo ma ke do alang tum la dak civil SD office long dampo kopene a documents nam enam log po kopene a dulil sibagwan log po alang tum chi siri kut la heno ma proper document kali lake la si illegally sinang tum long leke nam la si donatum karbiang long arat tum tanang chingnya nilimen ke chondro kathar nili bangke nang le tum thek long ji nili rong le long athar rong dokok poset dak aloma muni tum le long le jor lap posita nili pota aso asaveta sakuri se claim government job cd hegandi lana long le men tu tong vir det ki jor deroni la sila hai along le ki jor tum pen chelang sinon rajen timung punon bikram hanse punon apen alang le tum phan karju king tung le la hello kopi interest lo dak nil tuma development lo nang pau do inang li dak komat lo je nil tum la an arat phan pamang huprong ni nil tume ki chehok lo ke arjuno la to thar tum pini ke do tum anta dak arong agambura tum saidelo duplicate kali lai ke original bang po chi phung pame agambura pen alang tum chi chini lo so area ke ta na tum ko na pen sinang chini wong de lo hala erong dam hupo bang thom bane jang phong rum top dang krong ก็มันเนี่ยที่คุบต่อดำพรองlapen sinal tum han Norwegian gedun hai Italian gedun ye son international long nang le tum la hai alam ke ni dam thap ke dak arlu alam chini luma a hok et ke wang inoi dak nang tum la every footstep damoi arjunoi la non dak ke do kur lai pang thai lor apir thepen along leke lake karbi along leke 70 to 80% ta velu bang sop ke chijor tang cholang tang along le side lo don tum la sinang chini du noi non nang le tum mat hadam bang ke karbi anglong along le 18,000 bega ke konwang popu konwang gali leke piniar ni la solar project jong sinang bi bedat pulodang te along le si bang asu sinang do wang podaki dak don suri la tum along le ke nama tum ta lapo chiring koi nam lo pote doning koi lo tum rong ji sige cheseng ji side anta la bang ke dak wa ino nil yang paklang on proof apen ke chijor ke chelang atom phanta ningji thap ke la tum lo nil tum chepa jogi po ba solar project padonang po phan le nil tum lam nang ningji dun kali approve do nang paklang thima la hai moni tum ke che thrak non chilut chok i pe poloma hala documents ni le tum phan la so project ke wang lo pu pen long le ke chijor documents an ke nang lang pi pon than tum phanta po documents ni long nang agreement documents bang ni long nang che thon lap ke abu yang som do non nili pini dak amen pang dak pon pulo dang te baria dusmon sita la tum long le chiro dang de lage nili fere akam ta wi la sidona tum karbi ang long arat nang cerap nang choto do noi karbi atum isi la ta mesen akimia kam lo je la sol project pen ile tum jong se chubi thekser pulo te bang competition nang piji putang de lobo asap saveta long polata ako logote ile tum dak sakurita bang 1000 ba kamunit bang kela dak local tum hansi pon poputa nang ngi dak lo lasi to details bang ke non kening ye tum da do ulang sita nili tum phanta nang tar lip moto nili long le ke jor pu nili hadi border long adu nili phanta pache thang tapik nili election thuruta la le ko border so long le jor acha to khomani nu jor lo la rat ke jorma jorji sonak thaksi dipua sor ke hino pik mane amonit ke mane phanting on thop areng so dagma ekole dipudam delu la soni kali botnamri hakhi nai non ili tumang bong kes si pijeng yang nang le tum phan nil tum kes nang pipo non nang tum ke ni kang thap ke ni am propot il tumang bong arleng hiam si cheng no pobo non la sulibom ili tum nil tum dak border dimapur border jasmet pet akar bi tum ke doing thak so lo da ladak kang thak so bostu ke la poen lo dipolong dampo si haladak air office settlement office long dampo haladak achitha lang ampo oko la ke long le khali lang bang kepen ko mone wang po hadak ta jur jobostia pota chikuri po dak ta long le chipo lapu bange don rap tum karbiang long arata tum honon ovi kimia tum phanang chordom nang chuning ri lo son ke nang viri na nilge sia mamunit nilge ye mamunit nigamuk mp amunit nedolo tum wir det po nang la tum la dak che bhongkang po chichok kang po kat ruk po nil tum bange dak ke halak tum han pulisu mandet po nil tum ke chojor cholang hako pendala alang tum long duk dun det border asor ke thang awar sayawi apen ke kelang ta kai kita pangkriwi election hur ke mel meeting doji sita aphi bang chewang wang wewi lahai bang ta nil tum akhi sung do non pinita nil tum dak na menti sorong nang pale rok rajo langbung lang pret a photo paklang ne paklang la si donatum so solar project phan lok ke kadok ave karbi arat phanta non ke thiki ding non IPP president secretary atum noi APSLC president secretary atum noi nangle tum ta proper inquiry pen office la hai oppose kuri du nangji non nangle tum responsible change ma non dadak bang arong kechi ke bi arong amune nangne putenal tumpu la tum si non playing set pu wangoi to dak face to face il tum cepak lang dak nang nil tum danang dun po lab rong koi ra thoma gamura tum nang dun toy po nang la tum pilo nil tum phana proof nang piji nil tum pilo proof nang piji la si dona tum nili hin pen rat phanda chuni ri chordom lo la pen bangke nil tum a details non english pen ta dak nal tum phanang piji la bini karju long tum ana phana chuning ri lo rata tum nang le tum la bangke bhul buji nang ne ulta nang ma thari nilitum la solar project ki bi main alam ke lake ilitum akar biang long a protection apan lo non jong si ilitum la bithek ser lo polong te non ke jong se la bithek thedet pol non menti sorong anang le lu na la hapara sor bang long le ke namatum engke penabdi ke bang ke menti so parpo penabdi ke hidipi parpo non ta hapui hinat pen bang ke na horjan hala so border pen hadi lai le rok lu la si la hai hui pen le ilitum che protect on de polo tang te avelu la bang ke non ilitum chubi kok ta rat atum phan awar sayan ke dolang lasi kardom lo nilihin pen jo nil dung ako kening ye itum da do ulang nilihin pen lapan sinal tum han neses pipen kardom pajir peng ton ko lo kardom non bang nanget han te kanga teng ba nil tum hanang pa chinia teng la poen lo jitia tamane alang bang clear lo polotang te alang li tum final chitok po je pini pen banga project bivek po ba latak nang ot po polotang te la sochi council Karbenglo Autonomous Council lapen ke ala APDCL lapen ADB atum alang tum chitok po hala sofiansi lapen kaching wa verbal kaching wa huchita mi non alang tum la sonchi ningi ponlo je ladak local atum phansi first priority lake theka son an ke mopen suri sibak armu galadak palut pon pu pa bangke alang tum non chitok pon pu pa alam lo sita akam si a disturbance the ong mat lai ke chitok avela alang letum just nang tum kroima krima pu phansi kewang chotlang la sopensi alang tum ako nang chi survey lo non la sinon survey tangi dok dok a porsi la bangke alang tum nang la son mopen ningi pon bo mala makam hal haina a disturbance doko kamasi non chitok thek thedela sita la bangke alang litum chichakang lo ADB tum danang chichakang lo APDCL tum danang chichakang lo
I want to sincerely thank the media personnel, the residents of the solar affected areas, and all the friends who have traveled from far and wide to attend this meeting on our invitations. Today, we have called this meeting because we have noticed a concerning trend. Individuals from outside our area who have no direct knowledge or connection to our land or the solar project are coming in and opposing the project. As per the direction given, officials from KAC, APDCL, and even international representatives have been visiting our area regularly for over a year, almost every 2 to 3 months, to conduct surveys and engage with the people. All 23 villages involved have raised no objection to the solar project. We, the villagers, see this as a real opportunity for development in our region. The project representatives have promised to support the local community in meaningful ways. They have committed to improving our livelihoods by supporting small businesses such as weaving, pig rearing, and silk farming, and by helping build schools, roads, water system, electricity connection, and more. They have agreed to our terms and are ready to work alongside for the growth of the affected areas. It is important to understand that 80% of the land in question is wasteland. Much of it is illegally occupied by encroachers. This project represents a light of hope for us, a chance to finally see progress and chance for our people. That's why we will not allow outsiders like Rajan Timung from IPP, Bikram Singh Hanse from APHLC, and others to destroy this hope. They are not from our villages, they are not our representatives, and they do not speak for us. Their claim that 20,000 people live in the area is completely false and driven by political agendas. We know our land, we know our villages, and we know what is best for our future. No outsider will come and dictate what should happen in our house. We live here, we decide what is right for us. Frankly, I find this opposition unnecessary and driven by motives that seems more about personal gain than genuine concern. I have to ask, are they opposing simply because they are not getting any financial benefit from it? Their opinion seems irrelevant and lack value, especially since they are neither from our area nor directly affected by the project. As of all you know, the KAC and we, the people who actually live in the areas impacted by the solar project, have no issue with its development. We understand the benefits and supports the initiatives. It is important to stand firm and not let outside voices who don't share our struggles or vision dictate what is best for our community. Clarification of misinformation. I also want to address some of the false claims being spread by outsiders regarding our areas. They are saying that there are 20,000 Nagas, Karbi and Adivasi residents living here. That is simply not true. I invite anyone to come and see the reality for themselves. Our area does not have the kind of dense jungle population anywhere near the figure. What we do have are few tenants who engage in farming, but even they are not permanent settlers. They are yearly tenants with agreement that lasts for only 1 year at a time. This kind of misinformation only harms the development process and mislead the public. We, the actual residents of the area, know the truth, and we urge people to speak based on the fact and not assumption or exaggeration. On the issues of encroached land and opposition, I also want to bring attention to a very serious issue. The area affected by the solar project are mostly encroached lands, now occupied by people from other states. These lands were never officially transferred or settled. Yet now outsiders are trying to claim rights over them. I say this directly to those who are opposing the project. If you truly care about the land, then take responsibility. Help us claim these encroached areas and protect us from the growing threat of land mafias. It is hypocritical to oppose the solar project while turning a blind eye to illegal occupation. Let's not ignore the fact that a few local individuals who are now speaking out against the project are the very same people who sold land to outsiders in the first place. And now they are demanding the project be cancelled. That raises serious question. And it is also interesting to note that some people, even when internationally, have spoken out against this project. But I can't help but wonder who is behind their effort, especially considering the travel expenses and funding involved. I myself come from one of the solar affected area, and I speak here as a representative of my community. If you all know our villages, you will understand they are older than the present day Dimapur town. Yet despite we have seen no development, we have no proper roads, no reliable water supply, no schools, and the growing problem of land mafias. For years, our area was treated like no man's land, forgotten, without facility, without opportunity, and with a very difficult livelihood. But with this solar project, for the first time, we have seen a glimpse of hope. We see the possibility of development, roads, electricity, jobs, and the promise that the project will, alongside the local community, to build a better future. They have assured us that both men and women will be supported in creating sustainable livelihood. Our village may finally gain recognition as a solar city. We also hope it will bring safety and protection from land mafias, especially since we live along the border with another state. I challenge them to justify their claims with evidence, bring the facts, not rumors or emotional manipulation. The people of this area deserve development, not interference based on falsehood and personal interest. I want to directly address Bikram Hanse, Rajan Timung, and others who are not from our solar affected area villages. How can you go so far to lie to people, all for your political and personal motives? You never even came to our villages. You never surveyed the land or spoke to the community, and yet you feel entitled to speak on our behalf. This is the most disappointing and disgusting part. People like you come into someone else's house, pretend to know better, and then spread rumors and misinformation. You comment on situation you don't understand and paint these all false pictures for the world. So I challenge you, come face to face with us and explain how can you claim there are 20,000 people living in our area when in reality there are hardly 2,300 people, more or less, if not fewer. There is no dense forest, only some farmland, much of it is rented out by landlord owners who themselves are not locals but encroachers. Why is that every time, for the sake of political agendas, it is we, the poor villagers, who have to suffer? We are tired of this. We will not accept this manipulation, misinformation in our land anymore. And to all the people of Karbi Anglong, I urge you, do not let yourself be misled. Don't fall for rumors or political games. Come see the facts for yourself. Let us not allow outside manipulation to determine our future or block our right to development. That's all. Thank you.